What's popping, y'all? What's popping? It's your girl Bracia, aka Kiss by Bo, and we are back. We are back with our very first episode. You know, we doing this, and we doing it and doing it again. Like I said, we back because we did the podcast. We try to restart this thing so many times, but now we are back and we're doing it, and we're doing it well because your girl's a mom, your girl's a wife, your girl's a designer, and you ask me how am I doing this? I don't know. Ask God. You feels me? Listen, welcome back to my podcast. Ask me wife, mom, designer equals God. You feel me? I'm your girl, Bracia Owens Mount, aka Kiss by Boat, luxury denim designer, stylist, mother to a tiny CEO. He over there. Y'all gonna see him in a minute. You feel me? And wife to a king. Most importantly, you feels me? And I am a walking prayer. You feels me? So listen, this is the space for grace, grit, garments, and especially God, because couture and chaos and calling can all coexist in one place, because this is what it is. If y'all seen my house, you can see how this is couture, how it's chaos, and it's calling. You feels me? Listen. But the title of the very first episode of my podcast is called You Don't Bounce Back, You Rebuild. Let's talk about it. I want to share something with you that a lot of us women, we carry quietly after giving birth. The pressure to return to who we were before. The body, yaddy, yaddy is a body. You feel me? The energy, the identity, the look. But the truth is, you don't have to bounce back. You rebuild carefully. Honestly, you got to be real with yourself. You got to be like, yo, brace. You got to be honest. Like, you have to be okay with where you are now. And if you're not okay, get to the point that you are. You got to be careful with yourself. You got to be like, yo, treat yourself kindly with grace. Step by step. It's not a race to bounce back. Step by step, slowly. Again, it's not a race. And beautifully. Because it's a beautiful process. You feel me? So listen. We're talking about the postpartum body. It's more than it was before. You feel me? This body that we have, it's not wreckage. It's not damage. It's not a before and after photo, which we all show. Like, look how I was before. You know what I'm saying? It's evidence of life, y'all. It's evidence of growth. It's evidence of survival. We're told we should get our body back like we somehow lost it. Where it go? You feel me? Like, we shouldn't just lose anything. It evolved. And evolution doesn't rewind. It reinvents. You feel me? Like, so many times you look back at your old body and it's like, dang, what happened to me? I'm upset to myself. I'm upset about myself. I am set with myself because, listen, when I was back pre-baby, I was not trying to wear certain things. I was like, I got a little pudge. You know, a lot of people thought I was pregnant when I wasn't because I always had a little pudge. You feel me? I mean, that's just how my body's built. You feel me? But literally, I didn't wear certain things because I didn't like how it looked in those things. And when I think back on it now, I'm wearing it all. My body is not wreckage. It's not damaged. Listen, this is growth. My body done been through some stuff. Not only did I have a baby, I had a C-section. I had a major surgery. They come, what they say, 7 layers of skin. That's real. You feel me? So we don't lose our body. It's an evolution. We reinventing it. The stretch marks, the soft bellies, the hair changes. You feel me? The wide of the hips, the narrowing of the hips. You feel me? I am still breastfeeding. So it's real. Your girl is smaller than I was pre-baby weight. You feel me? I'm literally like like high school weight. You feel me? And I've been in high school 15 years. But listen, these are not physical reminders that we done. These aren't just, I'm sorry, these are physical reminders of we did something that was profound. You feel me? It's not just scars. These are stories. Your body tells a story like an outfit tells a story before you put your clothes on. You know, we talk about fashion wellness all day. How do you feel before you put your clothes on? And literally, your body, it tells a story before you put your clothes on. Every scar. Even if you're not a mom and you listening, every scar that you have, it's a story of where you've been, where you came from, what you did. I got scars on my body from when I was like 3. I was skipping and playing. There was a nail on a magazine rack, and I scarred my whole little foot. I remember that. I don't know if I was 3. You know, I was young. Whatever. You know, I got a scar on my hand. I kind of don't like it. My ex, he had a dog, and the dog scratched me real bad. I got a scar on my hand, and I look at that. I don't always look at it, but I look at him like, dang, Rocky, how you doing? That's a dog. You feel me? But like, dang, that happened. They're physical reminders of something that we did that was profound. Our body, this body that carried a child. They're stories. So when we're measuring ourselves against the version of somebody that didn't even go through this, that we shouldn't do that. We shouldn't even do that. But that's talking about postpartum. Body, right? The image. Not we didn't even go deep and talk about like the mental aspect, right? Because I'm not gonna lie, a lot of people, I'm not gonna lie for myself, I didn't necessarily go through that, but a lot of people did. I guess my postpartum is this body change. And I feel like I'm wearing my mom's clothes and my clothes are too big. Like, y'all, I was at a point where I said I wanted to gain weight. And my mom's like, Bracia, own your way you are now. You're not going to always be this size. One day you're going to get bigger and you're going to wish you was this size. So we have to really love where we are in this space, y'all. We have to love our bodies where we are now. But then we have to go to the healing aspect of not bouncing back, but rebuilding. And that's physical healing, emotional healing, and spiritual healing. Healing after birth isn't linear. It's not just a 6-week checkup. Hey, okay, you can have sex now. Literally, that's what they say. And then you're good. It's months. It's sometimes years. We've about to be 2 years in this game. You feel me? It's not just physical healing. It's emotional healing. It's spiritual healing. Look, say hi, Chancellor. Look. Listen. It's sleep deprivation. It's hormonal shifts. It's identity confusion. It's grief. It's a baby on my nipple in the middle of a podcast. It's real. It's grief of who you were, the version of yourselves that you left behind. Listen, you don't bounce back. Birth changes things. We have to own it. When we're thinking even of the physical healing, I literally had a C-section. A C-section. That's a physical healing that I ain't never seen. You feel me? Like, it's a type of healing. Hold up, let me fix myself. I'm back. Sorry, everybody who's listening in. My baby just came and nursed real quick. This is what we're doing. Because I'm a wife, I'm a mom, I'm a designer, and this is real life. You feel me? Like I was saying, it's a physical healing. I got about, I don't know, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 staples on my stomach. Then they pulled them staples out. Then I had to walk again, which was very painful. Thank God to my mother-in-law. She was walking with me in the hospital back and forth like, come on, Brace, come on. Come on, Bree. She told me, Bree, come on, Bree. Let's walk this thing back and forth so you can get back your strength. It's emotional healing. Emotional. You are no longer your previous self. The Brace before is not the same Brace now. I got a person that needs me. That, to me, is crazy. When my baby was sick like 2 weeks ago, he had never been sick as a toddler like that. Like, Chance probably only been sick twice ever in his lifetime, and he's 2. He's not in preschool. He's an at-home baby. He stayed home with his mama. So when he got sick, can I tell you, it was, I ain't gonna say detrimental. It was rough for me. I said, this little person is dependent on me. Yes, he got his daddy. You know what I'm saying? He got his grandparents, but he want me. You know what I'm saying? When he's sick, he wants me. That's rough. That's a lot. You feel me? That emotionally is a lot to carry that I didn't know I was ready for. But the Lord gives me the strength and he gave me the peace. It was 12 hours that was very much anxiety ridden. But can I tell you, God is real. He was there for me. And shout out to my tribe. They were there for me as well. Can I tell you? Back to it. Healing after birth, like I said, it isn't linear. We have sleep deprivation, hormonal shifts, identity confusion, and grief. We're grieving the version of ourselves that not left behind, but that's gone. You don't bounce back because birth changes you biologically. It don't just change you. It changes you biologically and cosmically. Listen. And you rebuild doesn't mean you're forcing yourself into a mold that no longer fits. You feel me? Say hi, Chancellor. Hi. No. It means you're honoring the pace of your body it needs. Not what social media expects. Not what the family expects. Not what your spouse expects. Not what you expect. I had to tell my homegirl who's now pregnant, she's about to have a baby. I had to tell her. Watch out, Chancellor. I had to tell her. She said when she gets done being pregnant, she wants to. There's no more water. She said when she get back from being pregnant, she wants to basically go back to normal, and she can't. Chancellor, I'm sorry, guys.